So the differences between B2C and B2B implementations are very, very noticeable. In B2B implementations generally are more complicated. Not saying that certain B2C implementations are not complicated, but in B2B implementation, a buyer is generally a company. And the financial responsibility is a company. Within that company customer, there can be staff logins, right? So one thing that comes with that is different staff logins can have different roles, permissions, and buying authority. In addition to the roles and responsibilities of the staff for a B2B company account, there can be different locations. A B2B customer can have multiple locations, Tampa, Orlando, Miami. So those locations can be the store locations, retail locations, or warehouse locations of that B2B customer. And on those locations, they need to replenish the inventory. And there are different staff responsible for replenishing those inventory with different buying authorities. So there are those complications that are required in a B2B implementation. B2B orders generally are larger in size, so credit card may not work for most of them. There can be freight shipping, there can be LTL. Those integrations needs to be there. In addition to that, when there is different payment terms like net 30, net 60, there can be different shipping options available. There can be different catalogs. So a B2B implementation has varying degree of maturity, and at Rave, we make sure that we ask the right questions to identify that how complicated your B2B needs are.